Wednesday the 13th of March 2019. 7:38 p.m. The colored counters workshops are based on the idea that we learn by repetition, and repetition is the companion of monotony. If you despise the idea of repetition and loathe monotony, then attempting to visualize clearly a tray of colored counters will definitely not be an appealing exercise. Please don't waste your time here whilst there are more interesting diversions on YouTube, Daily Motion, Vimeo and Youku Tudou, to help you while away the hours on an idle afternoon or in the evening as you wind down from the labors of the day. It would be shameful to hear that you were bored stiff by the colored counters exercise because you failed to heed the warning that comes with this video. Do not attempt this exercise if you hate boring activities. We cannot be held responsible for any health issues that may be exacerbated or even develop if you are foolish enough to ignore this warning. We cannot be held liable in any way if your migraine attacks increase as a result of attempting this exercise, nor if you develop double vision or are unable to sleep peacefully at night. For those of you who have been unable to attend the colored counters workshops, this series of videos is now available online free of charge. Feel free to distribute them to family, friends and colleagues. You will not be threatened with any threatening cease and desist letters from our solicitors, so do enjoy them online or offline, on your mobile, tablet or computer. We've recently heard of Japanese bankers enjoying this observing and visualizing exercise on their smartwatches. Alas, we're unable to verify the veracity of this claim. But rest assured, if you feel the urge to use your recently acquired smartwatch, feel free to do so. Chuka Okonkwo and Dubem Okonkwo, the twins, environmental training agents,